Today I'll be making creamy, tasty gyros. The full list of the ingredients are in the description box below. Let's begin cooking. I'll be putting my onions and the herbs, the spices all together because I love the flavor. They give such amazing flavor. That is my garlic and garlic. So yeah, and I'll be putting my lemon juice now. Not just mixing everything together. The thing here with the mixing this together, this tastes so great and perfect if you leave it in the fridge for overnight, like to the next day. That is where you get the best flavor, and also the spicy they get into the meat, and it tastes so gorgeous. I mean, when you bring it out of the fridge, the smells alone, you know. Yes. So I'll be putting some salt and pepper, black pepper. So you're gonna leave them, mix it properly, like you really mix it well, like turning them and make sure that the whole things get into very well. Like this. You'll be putting your mustard inside to mix it because the mustard also contributes to the flavor of the food. Here's me, let's cook. You don't need oil anymore because there's oil already, so you just need to heat the pan and you start putting your meat inside. And you do not need the water because all the water of the meat are gonna come out, and so for me, I don't like waste, so that is why I love this spoon, because they can scrape things, all of them out, and I mean at the end the plate will be so clean, it looks like you already washed them. So, this is my favorite spoon when I'm cooking. So yeah, you just need to arrange it very well in the pan. You put your pepper, which is spicy hot pepper, inside. This is the moment that you need to put that so that they get along together. And you stir them together. At this point, you don't need anything anymore to put. You do not need salt, neither pepper, nothing, because they were already in overnight in the fridge. So yeah, you just cover it and let it do his things. There we go. It looks so great. The house is full of flavors, smelling so nice. Oh, there it is. It looks so, I love the color. You know about this food, when I tasted it for the first time, I did not really like it. But I give myself a chance because this is the food when you are in a new country, and you get to try a lot of things. And more you give yourself a chance to eat, more you get to like most of the things when you try them for the first time. Because at the end of the day, this turned out to be one of my favorite European food. And yeah, I'll be putting my mushrooms. I know you guys might be noticed on all my video that there is mushroom just my favorite. I love mushrooms because the thing here with mushroom, when you put them in the pan, at the end of the day you will barely find them in the food. They look big because it's full of water only, so it's quite very healthy vegetable. Stirring it. Then I put my carrots. Get them ready. And you put in my tomatoes puree now. Squeeze it out. cooking. The good thing with this food is there is no fresh fish inside, because the way you stir the pan, just imagine if there was a fresh fish. At the end of the day, you won't find any fish anymore out of your pot, because you must stir them all out, and and they will be scattered, so they will be the same as the soup. So yeah. Yeah. Yeah, cover it and let it do its thing. Yeah. Now I'm doing my pasta. This is the pasta I'll be using. I just love this particular pasta because it's big, and one thing with this pasta, you need to keep your eyes on them because they swallow each other. So they swallow each other. And now I'll be putting on my cream cheese now, because when you put the cheese inside, they start splashing out. So, and we're in white cooking color food, it might be dangerous a little bit, so I just needed to protect myself. In this point, I'm just like a police officer that's trying to defend himself. It looks like a lot of cheese there, but this is one thing about this food is you can freeze them for long period of time, as long as you can or you want. And yeah, for me, I like making a lot of food, because then I have the whole week. I do not need to cook anymore, or I have time for myself to do other things instead of be worried about food or what are we eating. So yeah, it's a lot of cheese because this means that it's a lot of portion we're gonna get out of this gyros. Remember to stir it very well until all the cheese get to each other and melt. Hi guys, just want to remind you not to forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on your notifications to never miss a new all sorts video. I'll be putting some water inside because it's too thick. Remember, this is a very creamy, cheesy soup. It will be thick, so you need water. Not to put too much water also on it, because you need it to be thick also so that it sticks to the pasta. Yeah, I think we are done here, because our gyros is looking great. Time to eat. This is what I come out with. It looks so great, amazing. You will enjoy and love this when you try it.